everyone from Maldives. And we are here. So to reach our resort, we had to take a domestic flight first, and then we had to transfer by a boat. And the view from the flight, and the speedboat ride, and everything was just wow. We've reached Kandima. The resort is so pretty. The way they have created, keeping in mind every aspect of what the customers are gonna like. It's absolutely beautiful. And you just cannot decide whether you want to stay in the room inside and make the most out of it, or you want to go out, because outside of course it's beautiful, but inside is equally good. Kandima has this huge and long infinity pool. And on my first day in the morning at around like 6, I went there to swim, and I had the pool all to myself. I don't remember last when this has happened, like having a swimming pool just to yourself and you can do whatever you want. Another good thing of having a vacation in Maldives is the food. These resorts give you so much of variety. For vegetarians, I can say the options are less comparatively, like obviously, but how much ever the variety there is, it's so good. I mean, would you just look at this view? It's so beautiful. Everywhere you go, you find a different shade of blue, like a different shade of turquoise, and this absolutely flawless white sand. Wow. And now we are headed to do some kayaking in the midst of Maldivian Sea. You just being there and you are surrounded by water all around. It's so beautiful. On my second day, I went for parasailing, and in Maldives, there are like so many activities you can do, right from scuba to parasailing to snorkeling, kayaking, jet skiing, and so much. But I'm specifically going to tell you to do parasailing, in a place like this, because you can see endless blues. Like literally, there's down you see there's blue water, this sky, and you're surrounded by as much blue there is as much possible. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave you guys to see it and feel it. I have seen some of the most beautiful sunsets of my life here. As you can see, it's It's so peaceful and so serene. Just sitting there, and just admiring. I did that. I was just sitting there for hours and seeing the sunset. And now we are headed to do some mandatory snorkeling in Maldives. Of course, when you are staying in a place nearby to see, you have to go do snorkeling. So here in Maldives, the best part is that the water is crystal clear. So you can see a lot of things underwater, and it was my first time using a GoPro as well underwater. So I got a little, I don't know, but once I was in, like in the absolutely middle of the sea, all I could care was just to see, just to swim, just to take in all the possible beauty that I could see. And this is a non-edited video with no filter. Though a short trip, I had the time of my life here, and Maldives had always been my dream destination. So I'm glad that I could visit it this year. I miss having the beach all to myself. So looking forward to be back there soon. Thank you, Kandima.